Minister lo akiro nukoteso Dr. Clement Kenneson alobote ng'esiete gea kisoni lo wera lo edukitai kotia lo kai sirigi imiloni na kwatango na kai sauni chunyaki kanyape kosodi sokoni lo Amuria Town Council lo enya marite bilionite dope chunyaki diope.
My firm belief that if you use this market well, it is going to help us achieve many of the pillars of parish development model. Here is where we hope to enhance revenue collection. Here is where we hope that we will see economic development. Now that you have a market, stop this business of allowing these middlemen to come and buy your things in the villages.
Isoko nini lukesi edukitai Toma na Petanuka Development Initiative for Northern Uganda DINU kwapunaka United Nations Capital Development Funds korasi kere luengu baritosa bola na edepari arita diope chunyaki kany.
The work of the government is not to distribute cash to you, but rather through provisions of other services, this kind of infrastructure. We hope then that you can take advantage of those services to empower yourself.
Apollo Kinito na Jakanuta Muria District, Angela Kurutungesie Balebe.
Initially, Amuria did not have a central market or a market that was basically handling issues to do with the cattle. So there were dotted places where people, traders, would have their animals, in the trading. And that would cause, loss of revenue. And even when you look at it, you find that it will not be easy for you to follow on issues of maybe disease control or something of that kind. It was not an easy thing. But now with the coming in of this market and the improvement and the developments that have been done by DINU, we are really so humbled because we can now be able to have the traders together, the animals together, and also we are able to weigh these animals.
It is estimated that the project beneficiaries are 15,000. The technical persons are able to collect data now and carry out disease surveillance by the veterinary staff. When livestock was sold in the open without any fencing, most traders and farmers would maneuver around to avoid paying market dues and other fees. That made the local authorities lose out on revenue collections and therefore hampering their capacity to deliver public service.
Achora noriongete lo apuga na shanua kwap, Eva Mulema Matsiko, ngesie koto itungai dare sokoni ngon, kwapelo kech.
But it is up to you to hold and cherish this baby that the Honorable Minister has just given you, because it may take another 50 years before you see such. Why did we pick Amuria? Amuria, she has already told you, the Deputy Director, was a weak local government, relatively new, water stressed, but also emerging out of the insurgency.
Ile muso werane engare soko na rai open tie. Konye ageo na lomu na puga no sora duko se market, sora fencing. E joko wana sama business nowhere. So alipite nga puga ni iyata kile ngare kiso police okata dupalu. Yala maso noi na manage apuga ni koto tisa puga ni yada na kaso miso no kanti soda so na koto ti aduketa kanu jasi.
Kanuka TV East Abraham Elapu ko district alo Kamuria.